Look, today I want to tell you a very silent but very dangerous truth. Sugar. It works like a sweet poison. Not instantly, slowly, quietly. You might say, Doctor, I love sweets and my brain works fine. Yes, maybe today it does. But science tells us this. Long-term high sugar consumption weakens the brain's learning and memory centers. There is a part of the brain called the hippocampus. This region is responsible for forming new memories, remembering names, learning new information, maintaining focus. All of these depend on this tiny but powerful structure. Research shows that in people who constantly consume high amounts of sugar, this region can begin to lose function. Why does this happen? Because repeated blood sugar spikes can lead to insulin resistance in the brain. Insulin is not only a pancreas hormone. Your brain needs insulin too. When the brain becomes insulin resistant, focus declines, mental clarity fades, new information doesn't stick. There's another factor, inflammation. Chronic sugar overload increases hidden inflammation in the body. It raises oxidative stress, and these two together reduce cognitive performance. So this is not just about weight, not just about diabetes. This is about brain aging. Let me put it simply. If your blood sugar constantly rises and crashes, your brain struggles to build new connections. And over time, learning becomes slower. Is sugar evil? No. But constant, uncontrolled intake exhausts the brain. So what can we do? First, replace packaged sweets with fruit, but control your portions. Second, add nuts. Healthy fats and proteins stabilize blood sugar. Third, reduce refined flour products. Choose slower digesting carbs like oats and whole grains. Fourth, always include protein in your meals. Eggs, yogurt, legumes. These prevent sudden glucose spikes. Fifth, don't eat sweets every day. Treat them as occasional indulgences. Look, sugar doesn't damage your brain in one day, but it wears it down little by little. And one day you may ask, why can't I remember like I used to? That's why balance matters more than restriction. If you want to protect your mind, protect your plate. Brain health begins in the kitchen. Remember this, intelligence may be genetic, but mental performance is shaped by what you eat. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe.